Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, where I'm going to be filming all things to do with motorcycling. And right now, I'm just coming at you guys just to talk about why I threw out my MOTODYNAMIC tail light and I got the TST. So the reason being is I ended up looping my bike. I ended up crashing. I just destroyed my MOTODYNAMIC light. I had it for 2 weeks and then I mangled it. First and foremost, how y'all doing? If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But when it comes to buying electrical components, there's only two companies that's worth mentioning, and that's the MOTODYNAMIC and the TST Industries. So when I went ahead and I switched out my tail light and I cleaned up my rear end, TST tends to be the most talked about option. And I wanted to be different. I wanted to buy the MOTODYNAMIC. So if you're doing a side-by-side comparison of the two, they're both identical. Both are an LED display, and they both are plug and play into the stock wiring harness. So there's no splicing required, there's no f***ing around, you don't have to cut wires. And the MOTODYNAMIC actually comes in slightly cheaper at $105 US, while the TST comes in at about $125. Now, the only difference being in the two lights is that the TST is programmable, so that you can kind of change the color pattern of the light. Now, I have to give the edge to the TST mostly because they have a number of different products which they sell as the Hyper Pack bundle. Your front signal lights, which I showed the install video, which you should go check out. They also sell the tail tidy kit. So that's your integrated tail light, and then that's also for your license plate bracket along with your license plate light. So I ended up smashing the taillight out of my MOTODYNAMIC light. Now, I only had broken the glass because I was doing slow wheelies. I wasn't doing what I was just doing just then. So I just cracked the light and the LEDs continued to work. Now, coming into the new season, which I'm experiencing right now, I had broken the light about 2 months last year. And I wanted to make sure that I had something new, so I went ahead and I bought the TST. So now that I'm going to be having 2 seasons with each different light, I'm going to be able to get a feeling for both of them. Now, so far, I've been 100% happy with both lights. There's zero complaints about either or. Woohoo! Alright kids, just FYI, the MT07 is not designed for this. Oh goddamn. There's a rut there. Oh, she don't handle quite like the dirt bike used to. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume that I talked about everything that I wanted to talk about regarding the video, regarding the TST versus MOTODYNAMIC. Now, guaranteed side by side, both, you cannot go wrong with either or. Pick whatever one that you choose to pick. In the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, ask me a question. If you got any questions regarding the TST versus the MOTODYNAMIC or install or anything else like that, do not forget to drop it in the comments and I'll answer as best that I can. So until next time, ride safe.